10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Start. To buttress his contention, counsel for the applicant has relied upon the judgments passed by the Supreme Court in the cases of Joseph versus State of Gujarat and others decided on 4th July, 2011 in Criminal Appeal number 12/2011, by the Inspector of Police and another decided on 13th January, 2024 in SLP Diary number 39/2022 and the judgments passed by the High Court of Gujarat in the cases in Special Criminal Appeal quashing number 42/2014. Stop. Per contra, application is vehemently opposed by counsel for the state. Stop. It is submitted that although the applicant is not the relative of the husband of the deceased, but since the witnesses have expressed their suspicion against applicant, therefore, FIR should not be quashed. Stop. Considered the submissions made by counsel for the parties. Stop. Para. When the present application was filed, the charges were not framed. Stop. However, by order dated 23/12/2019, charges for offence under section 498-A, 306 of IPC have been framed, but the same has not been challenged either by amending the prior clause nor by filing revision. Stop. Be that whatever it may be. Stop. The first contention of counsel for the applicant is that since, he is not related to the husband of the deceased, therefore, he cannot be prosecuted for offence under section 498-A of IPC. Stop. Husband or relative of husband of a woman subjecting her to cruelty. Stop. Whoever, being the husband or the relative of the husband of a woman, subjects such woman to cruelty shall be punished with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 3 years and shall also be liable to fine. Stop. For the purposes of this section, cruelty means any willful conduct which is of such a nature as is likely to drive the woman to commit suicide or to cause grave injury or danger to life, limb or health, whether mental or physical, of the woman, or harassment of the woman where such harassment is with a view to causing her or any person related to her to meet any unlawful demand for any property or valuable security, or is on account of failure by her or any person related to her to meet such demand. Stop. Para. From the plain reading of the aforesaid section, it is clear that either husband or relative of husband of a woman can be prosecuted for offence under section 498-A of IPC. Stop. Admittedly, the respondent is not the husband of the woman who died, and therefore, the question which falls for determination is as to whether he comes within the ambit of code any relative of her husband. Decode. Stop. The expression code relative decode has not been defined in IPC. Stop. The provision with which we are concerned is a panel provision which deserve district construction. Stop. It is well settled that when the word of a statute are not defined, it has to be understood in their natural, ordinary or popular sense. Stop. For this purpose, it shall be permissible to refer to dictionaries to find out the general sense in which the word is understood in common parlance. Stop. Over.
तो दोस्तों, ये थी डिक्टेशन 120 वर्ड्स पर मिनट की स्पीड से, जो कि डिफरेंट वॉइस में थी. इसे आप लीजिए और कमेंट करके बताइए कि डिक्टेशन आपको कैसी लगी. ये डिक्टेशन इसलिए अपलोड की जा रही हैं ताकि आपको थोड़ा डिफरेंट वॉइस में मिले, आपको एक्सपीरियंस इसका थोड़ा बेटर हो. ओके, तो इस डिक्टेशन को जो भी लेटेस्ट अब यूट्यूब में अपलोड होंगी चैनल पे, उन्हें आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए गए लिंक में जाकर सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं वेबसाइट को